Hello everyone, welcome to Cool Products. Today I will be unboxing VerfLife Smart Socket. This is a combo of two pieces which you can buy from Amazon for $29. This smart socket can be connected with your Amazon Alexa as well as with your Google Home. This smart socket can be used as a scheduler to turn on your devices as per your wish. It can be controlled with your voice using Alexa or Google Home. And it can be controlled with your phone by using your phone as a remote control through an app. Let me unbox this and see what's inside the box. You can see like these are our smart sockets. We get two pieces as I mentioned before. They have provided an instruction manual like how you can connect this with your devices, and yeah, you have to download the app from the Google Play Store. Let me do it. The app name is called as Smart Life. Let me do that and connect this with my cell phone. And I have connected this smart socket with my phone. You can see like I can turn it on or turn it off through my phone. See, you can see the light got turned on. When I click off, the light gets turned off. This can be controlled even with your Google Smart Home. I have connected my Google Smart Home also with this. Let me demonstrate you how this works with Google Home. Hey Google, turn on light.
You got it. Turning on the smart socket.
Hey Google, turn off light.
Okay, turning the smart socket off.
As you can see, like this works very well with your Google Home, and this can be used with Amazon Alexa as well. And this comes at an affordable price. You can schedule whenever you want to turn on the devices or turn it off. And also you can use your phone to control the devices. So I recommend this product to everyone.